Assalamu alaikum, Atibar Mohammed here, and today I'm going to discuss about the group project and the idea that we will be taking through in that group project. And I'm working with Hamza Akhtar in my group. He is the only group member that I have. We are just two guys working together, and the basic idea that I have discussed with him, and he has agreed with me on this idea. And the idea is all about creating a Java based software application that recommends books to users based on their preferred categories or genres. In other words, we will create a software which will ask for people about the type of books they like. Okay, whether they like fictional, they like storybooks, they like books on career development or anything like that. Okay, so the software is going to ask them which type of books do you like. Okay, and then people based on their likings, they will choose the categories, and then that software is going to recommend them the books related to those categories. Okay, so this is going to cover the basic part that we have studied and discussed in our classes. And the second thing that I want to implement in this software, which will make it even more creative, is a token system and a login system. A person will log in on a daily basis. Okay, if you turn on your mobile phone and you download this software, you will log in on a daily basis. Imagine you log in today. So what will actually happen is that software is going to give you tokens. That software is going to give you tokens on a daily basis. You log in today, you get one token. You log in tomorrow, you get another token. You log in the day after tomorrow, you get another token, and as a total you will have 3 tokens. And every single book, or most of the books, will be of 5 tokens each. This means that no book will be free. You will have to pay 5 tokens for getting one book. Alright, so this is what makes the idea even better. Instead of just having the software which recommends you books, this is making it even more interesting. Okay, the token system and the daily login system. So how this is going to be achieved? Daily login system will use the database system of my own software, and then the database will serve as saving the data of the users. It will save the data of every single user, and then there will be a ranking system as well. That ranking system will tell a user about their rank, about the tokens that they actually have, and what rank they actually are on at the moment. So there will be ranking system in that software as well. This means if you have 5 books, you will be on the beginner level. If you have 5 to 15 books, you will be on intermediate level. And if you have 15 to 25 books, you will be on semi-advanced level. And 25 to 30 books or 25 to 35 books, you will be on advanced level. 35 to 45 books, you will be on intellectual level. And then 45 to 50 books or 50 plus, you will be on another ranking which has a name of intellectual led. Okay, intellectual led. That is a nice name, and these are the ranking systems, and based on the books, number of books that you actually have, you are going to get higher ranking. Okay, and it is not easy to get more books because you will have 1 token a day, so you will have to wait every single day 5 days to get 1 book, and this will make it even more interesting to see who has more books. And all of this will be stored in a database. We are going to use JDBC, and I have found out on the internet that most of the people are using MySQL along with JDBC for that database system, and we are also going to use the same thing, and this is going to be achieved very soon. Now let's talk about the major outcomes of this thing, of this entire project, or this idea. The major outcomes that we actually have are: number 1 is a user-friendly software application for book recommendations. So this is the first and the most major outcome, the biggest outcome of this entire project, and it is a user-friendly software. And then the second one is implementation of a token-based system to incentivize the user engagement. This means this is going to make the user even more attracted to the software and the system, because they are going to get tokens every single day, and then they will enjoy that thing. Alright, and then there is creation of a database system to store user data and book information. These are the major outcomes that we will actually have in this entire system, in this entire project, and it is all going to be fun. Okay, now let's talk about the project timeline. How long is it going to take? I do not have a fixed or specific idea of how long it is going to take. Maybe it will take 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and I think it is going to take more than 3 weeks in this time period. We do not have much idea of these things, the UI based system, all of these things. So we will have to study all of these things from scratch, and this is going to take more than 3 weeks. According to my expectation, more than 3 weeks, maybe 4, but I hope it will be completed within 4 weeks. This is what I think so, and this is not completely sure. I'm not completely sure how long it is going to take, but more than 3 weeks is the time period I think it is going to take. Okay. Conclusion. What are we getting at the end of this entire project? The first conclusion that should come in mind and that must come in mind is the project aims to provide users with personalized book recommendation based on their interest and preference. Because of your own interest, you are the one choosing the books, you are the one reading them, and you are the one getting higher ranks. So this is the first conclusion. And second one, by implementing a token system and user ranking system, the application encourages user engagement and rewards loyal users. This is going to make the system even more interesting and people will enjoy this system. By implementing a token system and user ranking system, the application encourages user engagement and rewards loyal users. The third and the last outcome that we can conclude from this entire thing is that the project timeline ensures timely completion of each phase, leading to the successful development and deployment of the software application. So this was the video and I have discussed most of the parts with you. I am going to share daily or regular updates with you on my YouTube channel every single week about the content, about the process and the procedure that we are following in this entire thing.